Oh, yeah, they warm enough? At least? Thermal. I've been like I've doubled up.
Go balls. Oh, never mind. Well, thank you.
I don't know.
No, that's it. Oh, this is all water.
Hot chocolate with cinnamon and some condensed milk.
I don't want to sit down, but I don't want my feet to get dirty.
True. Altoona sounds very familiar.
Use the left lane to make it.
She might be an Altoona.
And turn right.
And you turn
Those pancakes look so good. These are the seashells I collected today from the Madeira beach, and they're so pretty.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad.
You wanna get the chocolate syrup? That's gonna be good. Or ask for extra whip too.
No, I don't want extra. Yeah, that's good.
Yours is like so cute. And this is mine, babe.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds. Oh.
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face. Oh, I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Some charm bracelets using this kit. Got some. I think I'm also gonna make some earrings using this. These are the starters. I don't know what this is, but it's so good.